doing my weekly review after a session at the gym, and like all resolutions, had a little setback. I forgot to do this on Saturday, so it's Monday, and here we are. So the things you might have missed, first of all, a great article on giving yourself a little lift, and that means the boobs, ladies, as we get a little bit older, might notice things are heading south. Some great tips that don't involve cosmetic surgery, so you definitely want to check that out over on momtrends.com. The second thing, weeknight dinners are always crazy at our house, and we've got some great recipes on how to use rotisserie chickens, which are already cooked, and making quick, easy midweek meals. So you want to see that if you're a working mom, if you're a stay-at-home mom, a lot of great recipe ideas. The third thing is that we have a great review of Squaw Valley, so if you're a skier, you definitely want to check that out. We were at Squaw Valley and Alpine Meadows and showing you the ins and outs of skiing there with kids as well. And my bonus tip this week is we're now into the thick of January, and don't forget about the fine art of puzzling. We had a snowy weekend here in Vermont. My family is up here skiing for the MLK weekend, and we bought a puzzle and it provided hours of unplugged entertainment. So just a tip, if you are looking for some family fun and wondering what to do on a super cold weekend, try a good old-fashioned puzzle. As always, thank you so much for being a part of the Momtrends community. And these are meant to be reminders of what you might have missed this week to inspire you to head over to momtrends.com and check out all the new features that we've provided. Thanks so much.